and or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies, that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning to Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you, Ms. Thomas. Good morning, everyone. Hey, Mr. Greers, I'm a person that believes that there is a reason for absolutely everything.
Yes, sir.
We may not know those reasons sometimes or a lot of the times, but I definitely think that there was a reason why you got in the passenger seat from the
Not at all, sir.
Not at all.
Not at all.
I think this is the interpreter here. Good morning, Madam Interpreter.
Good morning, Your Honor.
You here for?
I am here. Liliana Garcia.
Good morning.
Buenos días.
Buenos días. Muchas gracias.
De nada.
All right, let's get going. Madam Interpreter, can you state your name for the record and your qualifications, please?
Vivian Montero, Court Interpreter 18369.
All right, we got some interference.
Let me shut off my camera. Maybe this will help. Is it any better, Your Honor?
Just try it again.
Is that any better? Can you hear me any better?
Yeah, I don't know if that's you. I can hear you, but it's just kind of like a little bit of All right, go ahead, try it again. Your name for the record and your qualifications.
Vivian Montero, Court Interpreter 18369.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do.
And do you solemnly swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
Very well. We're going to wait on an attorney to come back out there, and they're discussing the case with the other. And okay, we have them. Let's get going. This is the city of Detroit versus Latoy Toy Green. Case numbers SP 139-54251, SP 150-76891. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court, Sherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Ms. Green. Please state your name for the record.
Latoy Green.
You spoke to Ms. Green? I spoke to Ms. Green.
Oh, so I apologize.
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
All right, your appearance for Mr. Berry?
Howard S. Berry, Jr., P28880, on behalf of Ms. Green.
All right, and the trial, that's what you want to do, Ms. Green, the bench trial date?
Yes, please.
All right, I'm going to set a trial date for October the 22nd, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right?
Yes.
Now, it's like we've been down this road before.
Yes. It's taking a little bit longer to get the hearing for the license.
All right, you're gonna have to do what you gotta do. Try to get it before October, because We're not gonna give you another adjournment on this.
I understand.
Okay. Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good day.
You said October, what day, the
22nd. 22nd.
at 9 o'clock? Okay, thank you.
All right. All right, Ms. Mr. Berry here is Ms. Garcia. This is the city of Detroit versus, and she needs an interpreter. She has an interpreter. Liliana Garcia Ruiz, case number is C56316661. Appearance for the record, please.
Esta es la ciudad de Detroit versus García Ruiz, número de caso 656-31-661. Favor de individualizarse.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your
Berry
full-
Jr. por parte de la acusada.
State your full name.
Señora, diga su nombre, por favor.
Liliana García Ruiz.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Your offer is $240 fine, failure to display. It will abstract to the Secretary of State, however, it won't carry any points.
Entonces, estamos aquí para una preconsulta ante el juicio. El acuerdo es que si usted contesta culpable, la multa será $240, multa y costos. Usted no mostró la licencia en el momento. La información se le mandará a Secretaría de Estado, pero no conlleva puntos en su licencia.
Ok.
You have an absolute right to trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Speak to Mr. Berry about it.
Usted tiene derecho a llevar el caso hasta juicio. Le voy a colocar en una sala para grupo pequeño y usted puede hablar con el licenciado Berry sobre eso.
Yo traigo licencia internacional.
Your Honor, I have an international driver's license here.
Yeah, Mr. Berry is going to review it. Speak to him about it, please.
Favor de presionar el botón para unirse a la sala para grupos pequeños. Usted va a hablar con el licenciado Berry sobre eso.
Ok.
All right. Favor de presionar el botón que dice join.
Ok.
¿Ve el botón en pantalla?
Sí.
Presiónala, por favor. Que dice J-O-I-N.
No. No.
No, señora. No ve el botón.
Ya.
Ok.
This is the city of Detroit. This is the city of Detroit versus Moesha Manice Owensby. Case numbers.
Every time.
I mess it up every time.
No, I say you say my name wrong every time. Miyoshi.
Miyoshi, all right, I'm sorry. How many times have you been here?
Yeah, too many. Hopefully this the last one, Your Honor.
All right, Miyoshi. Did I get the Moniz right?
Yeah.
Owensby, and I apologize. Case number SP 125-22571. Why don't I see you on the docket?
Because you originally told me the 28th. Yeah, and that was a Sunday. I said, let me have my butt right in that courtroom on the 29th because I'm not playing that.
Let's see.
But if it helps, Your Honor, Cherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Owensby, she indicates that she does have her valid license now, or she's waiting for it in the mail.
Yes, I passed it.
Runner license, please. Also, let's call into the record SB 125-2257, counts 2 and counts 3. SB 146-57411, and SB 146-63881. Today is the date and time set. We'll call it set for a show cause. Go ahead, counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Owensby, we're going to run the license and see what's going on. Let's pass the matter momentarily. Let's go back on the record with Liliano Garcia Ruiz, Mr. Barrett.
Your Honor, this is the interpreter speaking. We were not able to speak with Ms. Diana Garcia. I do not know if she knew how to get into the breakout room. The interpreter tried to explain that she has to press the button, but I don't believe she was able to because she was unable to join in the breakout room.
Mr. Ruiz, you see join breakout room 2? We just lost her, I think.
Yeah, you can't just take Michigan Avenue. It's gonna take Michigan Avenue. It's gonna take you all the way.
All right, hold on. Mr. Greer, you gotta mute yourself. I muted you. I think we lost her. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Owensby. Ms. Owensby has a valid driver's license, Ms. Harris. I will find out what the city is gonna do with she has a 6 to 10 over, a no insurance proof, and a no insurance proof. We'll dismiss the driver's license tickets, all right? The suspended license tickets. Speak to Ms. Harris, Ms. Mason about those other matters, please.
Could you give me the total number again, Your Honor?
3 civil infractions, 2 no insurance proofs, and 1 speeding ticket, 6 to 10.
Thank you.
Now let's pass the matter until we get an offer. Ms. Garcia, you have to join the breakout room. Join the room.
Señora García, usted tiene que presionar el botón para unirse a la sala para grupos pequeños.
It keeps taking her back to the main thing because I'm trying to do it for her. She was doing it, it wouldn't work. I'm gonna do it one more time. Sorry for interrupting.
All right, let's pass the matter. Okay, good morning on the telephone there at 313-468-0657. Good morning to you. What's your name, please?
Robert Griffin.
Griffin.
Yes, Robert Griffin.
Good morning to you, Robert Griffin.
Morning.
Now, Mr. Griffin, is it an E-N or I-N?
I-N. Griffin.
You have a middle name?
Lee.
Say that again? Lee.
Lee.
Robert Lee Griffin Jr.?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to be here until tomorrow.
Okay. Well, I got 2 tickets in it, so I called because I got 2.
All 3 of your cases are tomorrow.
Okay.
All right, good day.
All right.
Are we ready on Miss Ruiz Garcia?
We are, Your Honor, ready.
All right, this is back on record with Ms. Garcia Ruiz. Mr. Berry, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, as it,
Estando en actas nuevamente con la señora García Ruiz, licenciado Berry, ¿qué desea hacer su clienta?
as it turns out, Your Honor, my client has a valid international license, and it was issued here in the United States.
Su señoría, entonces parece que mi clienta tiene una licencia vigente internacional emitido aquí en Estados Unidos.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, Ruiz, have a very good day. Best
Voy a
of luck.
tomar el caso por proporcionar documentación vigente. Si no hay más por el momento, gracias, señora García Ruiz. Se puede retirar.
Muchas gracias, muy amable.
Thank you so much. You're very kind.
Have a good day.
Que tenga buen día. Thank you, Your Honor. You too. Have a good day.
Thank you, Madam Interpreter. Have a good day. Mr. Golden.
Yes, how you
Good
doing?
morning to you.
All right, how you doing?
You about to go warm up for the Lions?
No, not this time.
Okay, well, you come to, you don't have a button-down shirt, you know.
And I ain't no dress the court.
You didn't know.
I ain't done that. No, it's been years since I've ever been to court.
Would you go to church, don't you?
Yeah, but church come as you are.
Huh?
Church come as you are.
I guess court nowadays, as you are now. Michael Gardner. Good morning to you, Mr. Go. Michael Gardner here. Now, Michael Gardner has another case on here. These things are not, Mr. Gardner, spell your last name for me, please.
Gardener.
E-N-E-R?
Denner, Gardner. Gardener.
D-E-N-E-R. So here, we need to change this, Miss Mounts. Yeah, he has an E after the D. D-E-N-E-R. So all the other cases that you have, we're gonna put this other case with it, all right?
Okay, that sounds good, Your Honor.
Now your first name, is it spelled E-A or A-E?
A-E.
City of Detroit versus Michael Anthony Gardner, case number U69301124. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gardner.
Michael Anthony Gardner.
Let's see what you look like. I've probably seen you before.
Oh yeah, you've seen me several times. Hold on.
I've seen you several times. So tell me this, what did I just say? I said, we're gonna put this case with all your other cases. He said, that sounds good, yeah. I didn't think that sounded too good.
Well,
all your other cases, but I kind of know what you meant. We're gonna be trial date 8/27. That's when you're back for to clear up all the other cases. So we'll just add this one to it. All right, Mr. Gardner?
yeah, it's my birthday. Okay.
That's your birthday. You did say that last time, didn't you? Maybe some of those officers will give you a birthday present. I don't know, but we got a lot of stuff up here. If it's nothing further, 8/27 will be the new date.
Okay.
All right. Let me make sure we get this on here. Is on there, right? And did you put the trial for the ticket on there too?
Yes, it's right here.
You put the trial on there for the too?
No, I haven't scheduled.
It's going to be scheduled for the same date
As the rest of the tickets.
as the rest of 8/27. Oh, I put on there.
What's the date?
8/27, 2024, 9 a.m. There's nothing further, Mr. Gardner. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Okay, you do the same. Thank you.
Yeah. Owensby, let's go back on the record with Owensby. Ms. Harris, what did you work out?
Your Honor, the recommendation is to amend the speeding 6 to 10 to a limited access 1 to 5. However, Ms. Owensby would like to know if the court is able to tell her if that could affect the status of her license.
No, I don't think so. You have a valid license here, and don't hold me to it. It will abstract, but it won't carry any points. You have a valid license. I don't see how that's gonna affect it.
Okay.
You wanna take the deal?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on behalf of your client, counsel.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access. Fine her $125, and I'll dismiss the other two matters. And all the other matters will be dismissed for reasons stated in the record. I'm going to give you until August the 19th to pay this. All right. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. Or
$125.
$125.
Okay, thank you. And this is my last time having to see you too, correct?
Yeah, that might be the last time.
All right, it'll be done. I will get it done. I will get it done.
All right. Congratulations on the license. Have a very good day, man.
Thank you. You as well. Thank you, Ms. Harris.
All right, let's go ahead and move to Mr. Rolando Chernard Gordon, this is the City of Detroit versus Rolanda Chernard Gordon, case number Z792951, Z7946.
I'm right here, Your Honor. I'm right here.
There's a lot of background noise. You guys got to keep the background noise. Put the phone on mute.
No, I have mine down, everything down.
You're right. State your name for the record, Mr. Gordon.
That's Rolanda Chernard Gordon.
Okay, go ahead.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., representing Mr. Gordon.
All right, state your name, Mr. Gordon, again. I'm sorry.
Rolanda Chernard Gordon.
This is today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. Gordon, I don't know how you want to proceed, but this is old OWI cases. I think I do have Ms. McCall came in and she brought me the test results, and you're doing very well on your test, and I appreciate that, and I hope you continue your sobriety.
Yes, sir.
I see July 20th to the 25th. So how was the cruise?
Well, actually, I got sick. The last 4 days I was sick, but the first couple of days was okay, but I was sick the last 4 days.
You didn't get that alcohol didn't make you sick,
No,
did it?
no, it was the food. It was the food, the buffet food. I had a lot of pork, stuff like that done. So that's what made me sick.
No alcohol on the cruise?
No alcohol at all. None at all.
What you think, Mr. Gold?
Okay.
Believe him? I kind of believe him too. I'm sorry you got sick. Where did the cruise go to? Where did it go?
I went to Costa Maya, Mexico, Belize, and Cancun.
Never been on a cruise, never been to those places.
Are you not missing anything either? I don't think so.
Well, you were sick, so.
Well, actually, been around about 10,000 people. I don't think that's cool.
The cruise ship itself?
Yes.
Big boat, isn't it?
It's a big shift.
That must have been your first cruise.
That was my first time going, but my wife been there 4 or 5 of them. But I'm not going back no more.
Have you ever been on a cruise, Mr. Gold? When we going?
So we gotta go.
He can't go because he don't want to miss the Lions. All right. So what are we gonna do with these cases, Mr. Berry? You want to speak to Mr. Golden and Mr. Gordon in the breakout room?
Yes, Your Honor, I do. These matters are not as yet adjudicated.
No. I know you've been on a cruise before, haven't you, Mr. Berry?
No, Your Honor, I have not.
Oh.
Wow.
For the very reasons that Mr. Gordon set forth. I just don't see how I could enjoy myself surrounded by 10,000 people.
If they know how to party, you might, So, all right, try to talk to him in the breakout room and see how this is going to proceed.
All right, let's go.
Pass the matter. Miss Lee, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Let me get Greer out of here, Miss Lee, right quick. He's at work. City of Detroit, pardon me.
He wants to dismiss Kyle. Take it.
Write it on that. City of Detroit versus Darius Greer, case number SP 155-60291, SP 157-2505. counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Greer. Please state your name for the record.
Darius Greer.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I did set aside, you have one ticket going to default here recently, and I'm gonna allow you to be heard on that ticket.
Thank you.
So, do you have a valid license, don't you, Mr. Greer?
Yes, sir.
So I'm still trying to find out why you went from the driver's seat to the passenger seat.
All right, so I'm gonna let you know. So I'm actually driving the hearse right now, and I was just pulling the hearse forward so we can get the body out, and that's all I was doing. I was putting my jacket on so I can get ready for court, so I can take care of business. I had no ill intentions. I had no.
I knew.
Yes, sir.
I was right that it was a reason, though. You said it was no reason at all.
No reason at all. It was just for me to, huh? I'm sorry.
I said I knew it had to be a reason, but my condolences go out to the family because my uncle is taking that ride right now.
Sorry to hear that, sir.
He's taking that ride right now. So, Ms. Harris, the offer's in the file, but it doesn't include the wrong way driving. So get an updated offer. Get Mr. Greer a updated offer. He presented to him. Mr. Greer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I know that I won't say anything. Let's go ahead and put you in a breakout room. Talk to Ms. Harris.
Considering he's at work, does he want to Zoom back in tomorrow if the court will allow?
Well,
I like to get
I mean,
this.
that's somebody's funeral, so I don't know if you're a necessary party to assist.
Now, he's not necessarily at the funeral. He might have just picked the person up.
Oh no, I'm actually working the funeral. I'll just the funeral doesn't start for another hour though.
Okay.
All right. That's one thing I'll tell you what. Out of anybody that's ever on time, I've never seen the Undertaker late. Have you, Mr. Golden? Never. It's just, I don't know how y'all do it, and y'all need to teach everybody else a lesson to be on time because they're never late. Go ahead. Join the breakout room.
Thank you.
Lee. Clarice. Do you have your bathrobe on, Miss Lee? Miss Lee?
No, sir. I'm currently babysitting 3 kids in total, and one of them is under a year, so he's crawling all over the place at the moment. So I'm just following him and making sure that he stays safe.
No, I asked you, did you have your bathrobe on?
Oh no, sir. This is overall for my dress.
Okay. All right. All right. Are we ready on anyone?
Dismiss all the tickets.
Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor. Mr. Gordon.
Let's go back on the record with Gordon, giving you an opportunity, Mr. Gordon, to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do? He has an absolute right to a trial. He has an appointment notice. Dennis Whitey is supposed to be his lawyer. Have you ever talked to Mr. Whitey, Mr. Gordon?
No, he never did give his phone number.
Let's pass the matter. Let's get Mr. Whitey in here, please. All right, let's pass it. We're gonna get Mr. Whitey in here. City of Detroit versus Clarissa Lynetta Taylor Lee. Did I get that correct? You're muted, then.
No, sir. It's Clarice Lonita Taylor Lee.
Lonita, I'm sorry.
Lonita.
Taylor Lee.
Yes,
Case
sir.
number 158-35861. Appearance for the record, please.
Clarice Lee.
Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Lee. State your name once again, Ms. Lee.
Clarice Lee.
All right, today is the date and time set for a Mr. Berry.
Set for pretrial, Your Honor.
There's no offer on this case, and I always call the offer that the city presents on the driver case a non-offer because it's the same penalty, 2-point offense, alcohol-related offense on your record, and $240 fine. You have an absolute right to a trial, though, Ms. Lee, and I'm going to put you in the breakout room for Mr. Berry to speak to you. Okay?
Okay.
What else you have going on today, Mr. Golden? You work afternoons?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
I used to work afternoons, sure. Sean Golden?
Yes.
My name is Sean.
Yeah.
Let's see what they said Mr. Golden did. And you're gonna say that you don't have a cell phone?
No, it's not working.
Oh. What's your date of birth?
863.
You have a valid license?
Yeah.
Run this license, please. You have some other cases open here too, you know, in warrant status. Mr. Whitey's gonna zoom in soon. Mr. Gordon.
Okay.
A valid license. You have plates and insurance?
Yes.
You have proof of it?
I don't.
Can you get it?
Like, yeah, I gotta go to the car.
Try to do that.
No bathrooms allowed for crying babies.
All right, we're back. We're back on the record with Ms. Lee. Ms. Lee, giving you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Berry. Mr. Berry, what does your client want to do?
We seek a bench trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lee?
Yes, sir.
All right, bench trial date is going to be October the 22nd, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
You do the same. Thank you.
Thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Andre Tabir Lyons, case number U54861219. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Lyons.
Mr. Lyons, you got to press *6 to unmute yourself, please.
Yes, hello?
There you go.
Yes.
For the record, Mr. Lyons.
Yeah, Andre Tabor Lyons.
All right, date and time set for
Arraignment, Your Honor, and my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Are not guilty pleading your client's behalf will give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lyons, is simple. You either take the offer to pay $240, we'll dismiss this one time, or set the matter for trial. You have an absolute right. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. This is a case of allegation, Mr. Berry, of drinking alcohol in public. All right. So,
Your Honor, the offer on the docket is that this matter be dismissed, apparently for the age of the ticket.
All right. If that's what it is, that's what it is. That's all right. We'll dismiss the case, age of the ticket, first city attorney. Case dismissed, Mr. Lyons. I'm away the warrant. You have a very good day.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right, have a good day. You're welcome.
You too.
City of Detroit versus Talia Lucius. Did I get that pronunciation correct?
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Case number SP 1556752, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Ms. Lucius.
Talia Leani Lucius.
I don't see you. All right, we'll pass the matter until Ms. Lucius gets her video together. Devontae Gregory.
Good morning.
Good morning to you, sir.
I'm turning my camera on now. 1 second.
Now Ms. Lucius is on 2 devices. That's not gonna work out.
It made me go turn it on in my settings and it made me exit the room.
All right, very well. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lucius. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time set for a trial. You have registration and insurance, ma'am?
Yes.
Let's see what your registration looks like, please. Somebody that comes prepared. Now it's blurry. Read the date to expiration date.
5/12/2025.
And show me the insurance, please. It's probably gonna be as blurry. Is there an expiration date on there? That really looks like the payment copy, not the one with the expiration date on it.
That's this one. It says 1/24/25.
That one. I'm gonna dismiss the cases, ma'am. Have a very good day. Provided valid documentation.
You as well.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Did we ever get Greer back, Ms. Harris?
Yeah, Courtroom.
No.
Can I look at the ticket on Destiny Markets?
Did we get? I didn't get the Devontae Gregory. City of Detroit versus Devontae Gregory, case number SB 127-06931, SB 1435361, SB 1527239, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1575741, SB 1575731. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gregory.
Devontae Gregory.
We'll also call SB 1527228 into the record as well. Today is the date and time set for pre-trial. Mr. Gregory, you have any documentation? You have a valid license?
No.
All right. The offer, Mr. Gregory, as it stands right now, failure to display 240. No offer on the expired plates, 145, and reducing the speeding ticket from 6 to 10, from 16 to 20 to 6 to 10, $135 and 2 points. You have an absolute right to a trial. Let me put you in a breakout room and speak with Mr. Berry, okay?
All right.
That looks like one of the ticket types that if you plead to it, I want to get confirmation on it that if you don't have a license and you get 2 moving violations, you won't be eligible for a license for at least 2 years. I like to let people know that because I want to make sure you understand everything that's going on. potential consequences or repercussions of the cases, all right? But I don't know if it's because of it's a driver's license never acquired in that, or anybody that doesn't have a license. Join the breakout, and we'll speak to Mr. Berry, okay? All right, Mr. Will have their hands up. Maurice, give me the correct pronunciation, please.
It's Tyreek Grayson.
It's Tyreek Grayson.
Yes. I'm always the last one, bro.
And Terrell's iPhone.
Yes.
What's your full name, sir? Good morning to you.
Good morning. My name is Aaron Gandy. I was making sure I didn't miss my name.
Say that again.
Aaron Gandy.
Gandy.
Yes.
All right. Good morning, both of you.
Good morning. Good morning.
For some reason I don't see Gandy on the document. Spell it Gandy.
Yes.
Aaron.
Yes.
Terrell.
Yes.
You're not due here until September the 9th.
I got a card in the mail stating that I come today. It said Monday 7/29 for improper plates. That's what it say. I got a card in the mail.
Date of birth.
9/27/94.
Some of these are on warrant status.
You said warrant status.
Yeah. Why is ST SP 95782001? Why does that say warrant status?
I just came from court. I thought I got my warrants
Hold
cleared.
on. We're figuring it out.
Okay.
When they hear that warrant, they're like, whoa. All right, so all of them pre-trial, we got rid of the warrant on it. Let me make sure there's no other warrants. All right, September the 10th, come on back, all right?
Okay.
Have a good day.
Okay.
Corporal Croxton, good morning. No. As long as that's taken.
Good morning, Judge.
What happened to Ms. Harris? And let's go back on the record with Mr. Gregory. Mr. Gregory, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gregory?
Yes, sir.
October the 22nd, 2024 at 9 a.m., okay?
All right, sounds good.
Have a great day. Best of luck to you.
You as well. Thank you.
Anybody know what happened to Miss Harris? Mr. Barry?
I do not, Your Honor. I'm going to call her.
Michael Lorick, why are you here today, sir? Morning to you. It's another name I know pretty well. You have to mute yourself.
I'm sorry. I'm here because you dismissed the ticket that they brought back up, but it's another one that came up. So I can't get my license until you get that last ticket dismissed.
Until I get it dismissed?
Well, these are tickets that you have already dismissed. I don't know why they're showing back up.
I don't see anything here that's affecting your license. You have a trial date for September 13th, 2024.
Right, and I just saw you again, and you sent the email down there because one of your old tickets that you dismissed
Yes,
came
Erica,
up.
you're not in the courtroom. The court doesn't know why.
So when I went back, it's another one of the old tickets that you dismissed that came up. So that's preventing me from getting my license. The clerk said.
I don't see that.
Because I just came from I just had made an appointment and went back to the Secretary of State thinking that everything was good, but it's another ticket showing up.
Did they give you a ticket number?
They did. I was trying to find a paper that is on, but I can't find it. But it's one of the old tickets that you had already dismissed. It's from
I can't help you, Mr. Lark. There's nothing I can do. I'm looking at the tickets that you have scheduled for today, not today, but the tickets that you have scheduled for September the 13th. And the way it reads here is that you had a trial date set April the 23rd, 2024 at 9 a.m. You appeared on that date, and it was rescheduled to a pretrial on 6/13/2024. You appeared on that date, and it was scheduled for trial again on 9/13/2024. Is a driving license suspended and no valid registration? In my experience, none of those tickets will affect you from getting a driver's license. So if you don't have the printout what the Secretary of State gave you, then I can't, not that I could help you anymore, but I certainly can't help you now because I don't know what tickets you're referring to. These tickets these tickets don't ever appear to have ever been dismissed and reissued.
No, you dismissed them. Remember when I just came back.
Listen, I see thousands of cases. I remember you for sure because you've been back, you're a frequent flyer. But I don't remember a specific case that's been dismissed. All I can go off of is the register of action for these cases that the notes have been in there, and it doesn't read that these cases were ever dismissed. And what I'm saying is, in my experience, these cases would not have to be dismissed for you to get a valid license. So you need to give me the specific case number so we can investigate why they're telling you that they won't give you a license because of that particular case.
Okay, I understand.
So September 13th is these cases. If you need to go back to the Secretary of State and ask them for a printout, they should give you one. September 13th, I'll see you then.
Okay, no problem.
Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Who are we ready on? Mr. Barry, anybody? Let's go with Jerry Lucas. Where's Jerry Lucas? Jerry Lucas the second.
Chair can call Roberta, and she know that they hit a power line and help.
Jeez, okay.
So she's gonna try to find somebody else to assist you.
All right. Jerry Lucas II here? Press *6 to unmute yourself, please.
Judge, this
Or
is
no.
the city prosecutor. Did this Jonathan Simon want to speak to the prosecutor?
Jonathan Simon, go ahead into breakout room 4, Mr. Simon.
Hello?
Yeah, how you doing? This is the city of Detroit versus.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Jerry Lucas II, case number SP15-77084, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lucas.
Jerry Lucas II.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. The offer, as it stands right now, Mr. Lucas, is pleading to the failure to tarp load. I believe that is a point ticket.
Yes,
Let's see. Let's see what it says. You know its points attached to it?
Are you talking to me?
Yes.
No, I didn't know it was a point attached to it, and I had straps on my load.
All right, well, let's set a trial date. That's an easy one. Because you're suggesting that you did have your load tarp, right?
No, I didn't have it tarp. I had 2 straps.
Oh, well, there we go. I don't want.
But the officer said that I needed to have a tarp on it as well.
Are you disputing that?
No, I didn't know. I thought I was doing the right thing by having it strapped. But he said,
well, you know what they say, right? Ignorance of the law is no defense.
Well, now I know. So that's anytime I do anything, I needed I use a tarp. But like I said, I didn't. When he said tarp,
listen. Let me say this. Now you're talking a little bit too much because you're innocent till proven guilty. You have an absolute right to a trial. I don't know if you're supposed to have a slow tarp or not, or how you're supposed to ride. And I'm just trying to see the penalty so you'll be aware before you enter into any kind of agreement. I thought that failure to tarp load was a point ticket.
Okay, I don't need any points.
I don't either.
I got bogus points already.
Be quiet, Mr. Lucas. Just be quiet.
He's got bogus points. I don't know. I've never heard of bogus points before. I don't know why they don't put this under failure to tarp, but it's on here somewhere. Mr. Golden had to go to the Secretary of State and get that insurance and that registration, didn't he? Well, I don't know why I can't find it. That would be crucial. Okay, well, 2577203A. It's a cover non-unload 3710. No, I don't have Mr. Gold's file. I think I'm just 3710, 3710. Failure to tarp a load, improper load or towing. Zero points, but it's here as a misdemeanor. $240 fine. He has an absolute right to a trial. It does abstract to the Secretary of State. So it's no points, but it is abstractable. So it's essentially like a moving violation. Absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, and the other matter will be dismissed. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, and you can have that conversation. And I want to know what bogus points are. All right.
Okay.
All right. Join the room, Mr. Lucas, please.
Okay.
Mr. Simon, your client. This is your client. Who's the Samsung SMA146U? Good morning to you. Well, there's your client, Mr. Simon.
That would be Mr. Unwemene. Durant Gallery.
So the officer was here on eliminate. And what did the officer say, Ms. Mathis?
Judge, my understanding was the officer had not checked in. That was what I was told.
No, he called. He just, I think he dismissed.
Officer Simon dismissed everything.
He dismissed everything.
I'm sorry,
Ms. Harris, they did call, all right?
Thank you, Jesus.
This is the city of Detroit versus Darren Unwemene. Give me the correct pronunciation.
Duran Unwemene, sir.
Unwemene.
Yes.
Unwemene. Case number SB1567144, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB1567209, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB1567201. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jonathan Simon, P35596, on behalf of Mr. Unwemene.
Mr. Unwemene, give me a state your name for the record, please.
Duran Unwemene.
Today is the day and time set for a trial. I can put this as a no recollection. Your officer did call us, Miss Mason.
Okay, I was unaware of that, Your Honor.
Yeah, I just saw Mr. Simon back, but he did call this morning and indicated that he was willing to dismiss the case. So I'll put it as a no recollection. No objection, right, Mr. Simon?
Absolutely none.
Case dismissed, Mr. Unwemene.
Thank you.
Very good. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Good to see you, Mr. Simon.
Take care.
So we lost an attorney. I know Mr. Greer has been waiting. Her power went out. So let's bring Mr. Greer back. Let's give Mr. Greer with Mr. Berry, because he's got that funeral to go to. Miss Harris, Miss Mason, did Miss Harris ever talk to you about Mr. Greer?
No, would that be Darius Greer, Your Honor?
Yes.
No, I didn't get. Were there extra charges?
There's one extra charge for driving. He's an undertaker, and he's got a body in his car that he's got to get to the church. Are you there now?
Yes.
You got him there?
Hello?
You got the gentleman or lady or your
Oh yes, he's already set up in the church already. Yeah, we're just waiting for the family to pull up.
all right.
So what's his extra ticket, Judge? I'm sorry.
His extra ticket was a one-way driving, wasn't on the docket.
Can I explain why?
No, if you want to do this, if you want to do that, well, put it this way. You don't talk, you just might walk.
Yes, sir.
But if you, we're going to present you with the offer, and what you can do is either you can accept it or not take it and set it for a trial, and then, or you can take it and then you can give me an explanation on why, and I can make a determination on sentencing.
Okay.
So, since Ms. Harris had fell off, I'm going to call your case and give Mr. Berry an opportunity to review it with you. All right?
Oh, yes, sir.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lucas. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a bench trial date, Your Honor, and the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lucas?
Yes.
All right. I have October 22nd, 2024 as the next date. I need a good phone number from you, please.
248-470-5567.
All right, what I need you to do, sir, is I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney in the next 2 weeks, I need for you to get back in touch with the court, because I want to make sure that you have contact with this attorney long before October 22nd, okay?
Okay.
I don't want you to come in on October 22nd and then tell me you haven't spoken with the lawyer.
Okay.
All right.
So in 2 weeks, if I don't hear from him, I get in contact with your courtroom.
And we'll get you an attorney appointed on the spot, all right?
Okay.
But other than that, October 22nd is the next date. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day too as well.
You too. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Greer. Mr. Greer, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry so that Mr. Berry can talk to you. Mr. Berry, Ms. Harris knows that the runway driving is on. I put it on the table. She's going to give an updated offer for that. And Mr. Greer wants to speak with you because he wanted to mention something about the case before I stop. All right.
Yes, sir.
Join the room, please. Mr. Whitey, good morning to you. Oh, he's in the breakout room. Mr. Whitey showed up, Mr. Gordon. Mr. Whitey, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Very well. Let's go. You never got a chance to speak to Mr. Gordon before?
No, I spoke to him before last time. What we're doing today, Judge, is we're just going to schedule for a bench trial.
hold on, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gordon. Mr. Whitey, go ahead.
Oh, I'm sorry. Dennis Whitey, P79560 on behalf of Mr. Gordon. I just spoke with the prosecutor, Miss Mason. We are going to schedule this for a bench trial. She's going to get me whatever material she has. These cases apparently are from 2010, and all I have at this point is CAD notes, which they did provide to me. So she's going to try to forward the rest to me, but let's just schedule this for a bench trial, Judge.
All right, we'll schedule it for a bench trial on October 22nd, 2024 at 9 a.m. Mr. Gordon, I will say you've done very well on his testing, so all negatives, what I can see, all right?
Yes, okay. And Your Honor, can I have the next week? I'm in a jury trial on a capital case that whole week.
All right.
Any day of the week of the 28th.
I'm in.
Let's come back on the 28th.
Okay, the 28th sounds great, Judge.
All right, have a good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, and I'll be in touch again, Mr. Gordon.
Do you have my number?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Make sure you have it. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Just make sure you have it.
Good idea, Judge. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, join the room, and you're free to leave after you get finished with talking. All right, have a great day.
Okay. All right.
Oh, you ready to get out of here, aren't you? You see what this guy going on. You have $135 today?
Yeah, the next 2 days.
Not today? Miss Mason?
Yes, Your Honor.
I have Mr. Golden here, Sean, not spelled the way I spell it. It's spelled S-H-A-W-N. He has additional charges that are on the docket. And all of them documents, unregistered, untitled, license improper, no insurance from older cases. Expired plate. But for that one expired plate, you're gonna have to pay. So you're gonna have to pay 145 plus 135. Then expired plate, no insurance, and no license on the 2014-24 cases. He's got registration, and he's got insurance, and he's got valid driver's license.
Okay, we're dismissing, Your Honor, since he's compliance for documents.
Step on up. City of Detroit versus Sean Golden. Case numbers SP 1001019 counts 1, 2, and 3. 24764203. 24764204 counts 1 and counts 2. State your name for the record, Mr. Golden.
Sean Golden.
Mr. Berry's not here, is he? All right. We'll call today. It's warrants on these other tickets. We'll call $0 bond or not guilty plea if we have. We're going to dismiss SP 1001019 counts 1, 2, and 3 for providing valid documentation. Or 76403-1 and 24764204. 4764242, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Berry, a quick appearance on the record for Mr. Gordon, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Gordon.
All right, so we're going to we entered not guilty plea on his behalf. We gave him $0 bond. We're going to dismiss the cases that are on the docket, and we're also going to include in that dismissal 247642031 and one SP 1001019 counts 1, 2, and 3 to provide invalid documentation. Mr. Gordon, you're going to have to pay SP 131-38651, and you're going to have to, I'm going to waive the warrant fees, but you're going to be responsible for the reinstatement fees of these old tickets. So I see 3 reinstatement fees at $45 a piece plus $145.
I mean, Golden?
Yeah, Golden.
I paid all of them tickets already. The old tickets.
I'm dismissing everything. The one you didn't pay.
All right.
You'll have to pay. That's an old ticket. And then other things are old tickets when you got them in warrant status. A warrant is issued and a reinstatement fee is issued. It's $50 warrant fee. I'm waiving 3 warrant fees, so I'm saving you $150 right there.
All right.
I can't waive the reinstatement fees, $45 a piece. Right. You got to pay those. So that's $135 plus the other $145 ticket.
All right. All right. Oh, yeah, appreciate it.
All right. When can you pay? I'm really concerned about the $145.
Yeah, 2 days. 2
days?
Yeah.
I'm not even going to do anything. I'm not even going to put it in there. Go ahead, pay it when you get it. And if you need to set a payment plan up, they can set a payment plan up.
All right, so it's downstairs. In 2 days.
Downstairs now. You don't have to deal with me anymore.
All right, all right.
All right. Take it easy, Mr. Gold.
Oh yeah, thanks.
Did you need any paperwork?
Yeah, I might need some paperwork or something. Sure.
All right, you get some paperwork.
All right.
Take it easy.
All right, then. Thank you very much.
All right, take it. All right. All right. Who are we ready on, Mr. Berry? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Jerry Lucas. I thought we already dealt with Mr. Lucas.
I thought it was Gregory.
Yeah, no, it's Greer. It's Greer.
Greer, sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Mr. Lucas, you're free to leave. You got a court date, right?
Oh, okay.
Didn't you get a court or another day?
Yeah.
I have a good day, sir.
Okay.
Let's go back on the record with Greer. What does Mr. Greer want to do? I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. You have an absolute right to a trial and a formal hearing. What does Mr. Greer want to do?
We need the appointment of counsel, Your Honor, for purposes of trial.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Greer?
Yes, sir.
It's the last one on that date. That's on the trial dates. October 22nd, 2024. Need an appointed attorney. What's good? I need a good phone number from you, please.
313-208-0181.
Who do you work for? What funeral home?
Heard Family Funeral Home.
Heard. Okay. 313-208-0181, correct?
That's correct.
You heard the deal. You don't hear from the attorney within 2 weeks, give us a call. We'll appoint one on the spot. Date is October 22nd, 2024, trial/formal hearing. We don't want you to come here on that date and say that that you never spoke with an attorney. That's why I want you to make sure you get back in touch with us in about 2 weeks if you don't hear. Answer any calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. Best of luck to you, Mr. Greer. Have a very good day.
Thank you very much. You have a better one, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Jalen Antonio Green. Case number SP 1539870. Counts 1 and count 2 and count 3. State of Michigan versus Jalen Antonio Green. Case numbers SX 4361154. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Jalen Antonio Green.
We need to see you, sir. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
He's in the driver's seat. How you doing, Mr. Green?
I'm doing good, thank you.
As for purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor. My client would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. He has these other cases, state cases, no equipment. I mean, right strike that improper equipment, 6 to 10 over and a seatbelt that went into default. It appears. Doesn't appear they're in default. He's supposed to pay them on this by the 19th. Let's call it SX 4397616 counts 1, 2, and 3 into the record as well. So, Mr. Berry, we have what's on the docket today. Maybe is in 2 different places. Yes, it is. Yeah, what's on the docket today? So get your pen out, please.
Ready, Your Honor.
I'll just give them all to you. Driver's license never acquired. I hope he has a driver's license now because he's sitting in the driver's seat of the car. Open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver, a marijuana violation under 21, no ops, improper equipment, probably tinted windows, 11 to 15 over, improper equipment, probably tinted windows again, a 6 to 10 over, and a seatbelt violation. Mr. Green, Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial. Whose car are you in, Mr. Green?
This is my vehicle, Your Honor.
You have a vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Does he have a valid license, Mr. Golden?
You're gonna answer.
You're not gonna answer that one. Why? Let me guess. There's a reason for everything. You answered that last one on the spot. You said, I think he's good. Why are you not wanting to answer this?
I don't think you got it.
You don't think you got it? You don't think you got it?
Excuse me, Your Honor. This is the city prosecutor. Is that 6 to 10 LA? I mean, is that a limited act, or is that a straight?
It's not. It's only written as. I don't have any. Okay, wait a minute. Let's back up. Mr. Green, have you ever had an attorney appointed to you?
No.
All right, let's get an attorney up on the spot now. Let's get an attorney on the spot now.
Green.
Oh, he missed his trial date? Let's see. Let's see. I want to see if Mr. Golden got out of here. He already said he doesn't think he has a license. Let's see. Come on. Yeah, let's get an attorney. He missed his trial date on the 16th. On the 12th, defendant failed to appear. Good morning. Defendant failed to appear. All right, here's how this is going to go, Mr. Green. You're wasting the court's time. So I want to give you one more shot at this. You got to get it right. If you don't, I'm going to put a cash bond on you, all right?
All right.
Let's get a. We need to.
Why you
Let's
asking
pass
for?
the matter. Let's get him a lawyer on the spot. City of Detroit versus Aaron William Bennett, case number SP 11940641, U65682623. Appearance for the record, please.
Because I don't want to think that I forgot.
I'm here.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Bennett.
Aaron William Bennett.
Chair. Yes. Okay.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Bennett.
Good morning,
Today
Judge.
is the time we have a warrant out for his arrest on SP 119-40641 and the show cause on the other. That's for purposes of the arraignment. Counselor, go ahead.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter not guilty plea on his behalf. Give him a $0. You have an attorney on this, don't you, Mr. Bennett?
So yes, I did. I had a court date with you a couple months ago, and the enter without permission was dismissed, and the only thing left was a driving while suspended that was back during the pandemic, which I received a letter saying was going to be nullified. I have since, I have a driver's license that's valid, so I'm just not quite sure what's going on there.
Go and try it again.
Why wasn't this? I do have enter without permission dismissed. It was.
Yeah, dates.
And the other card?
Oh, let's see this. Free trials. Let's see where we got here. It's like we're missing a whole section. I sent you to Judge Yancey on the driver's license, I guess.
Yes. I received I guess you call it summons, a card in the mail for this court date. I just thought you can understand my confusion.
I can understand your confusion a little bit, but you never went to Judge Yancey.
That was for the driving while suspended.
Right.
Please advise me what my next step is. Again, I have a letter saying that it was not to worry about it, and then again, my
driver's license. Letter saying not to worry about it.
It said it was during the pandemic. It said something about you may or may not. It said like the case may go away, or so. This was years ago.
Do you have a valid license now?
I do. I have it right here.
Run his license, please.
Would you like the number?
No. Thank you. We'll get it. Run his license, please. Let's pass the matter momentarily. Dre Gale. Somebody comes in on the iPhone. What's your name on the iPhone?
Jeremy Giles.
Jeremy Giles. Good morning, Steve.
Good morning.
Great Gale.
Yes.
What, good morning to you. What brings you here, sir?
Said on my ticket is the so-called.
What's your full name?
Kenneth Gale.
Kenneth Gale?
Yes.
Kennethgale?
Yes.
Kenneth David Gale?
Yes.
You're not April or August the 5th. August the 5th.
Okay, yeah, my
You
ticket
need,
is
you need to pay this no insurance proof. And the $240 one, not the $195 one, but the $240 one. You pay that, you could potentially set yourself up to get a valid license.
okay.
You understand that? $240 no insurance proof. Pay
Yes,
that,
sir.
wait 48 to 72 hours and approach the Secretary of State. See if you can bring a valid driver's license in before August the 5th, all right, by August the 5th.
Okay.
Have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you. Does he have a valid license? License is valid. Let me check with Judge Yancey and see what she wants to do.
Gotcha.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I was called in to assist as House Counsel. Ms. Pruitt called me to see if you guys needed any assistance.
Yeah, thank you.
No problem.
All right, give me a few more minutes, Mr. Bennett. I'm gonna let her respond and see what she wants to do, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
We're gonna dismiss U65682-623. That was my notes in the file from the last time you were here.
Yes.
Lydell. Jonathan.
Yes, sir. I was seeing I know I came in at 8:40, but did I supposed to come at 8 or 1 o'clock? 1:30. I didn't know.
You're supposed to be you're all around that. You're supposed to be here at 9 o'clock. So you came in early.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I was just wondering.
All right. Are you Jonathan Lee Lydell?
Yes, sir.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jonathan Lee Lydell, case number SP 111-26421, SP 5366, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 155-98651, SP 117-53663, SP 155-98611. State of Michigan versus Jonathan Lee Lydell, case number SX 3698086, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Don't all respond at one time. Ms. Warfield, let Ms. Warfield take this. I don't want her to feel left out.
Yes.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Jessica Warfield, P 85391 on behalf of Mr. Lydell.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Lydell. State your name for the record, please.
Jonathan Lee Liddell.
Today is the date and time set for a trial.
Excuse me. Good morning, Your Honor.
Yeah, hold on one second. Good morning to you. We haven't left you out. SP 1175366 into the record. All right. All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Do we have Officer Lord? Officer Lord Ngowski is here. Tasker. So we only have one officer up here. Do you have a valid license, sir?
I have my driver and temporary instructor and permit. I just needed a week to go fully do my driving test. I got the permit though.
On his driver's license, please. Let's pass the matter momentarily.
And Your Honor, just for record purposes, Corporal Croxton is here as well.
I didn't see Corporal Croxton. I didn't see.
He.
Oh yeah, he's on the top. Okay, very well. Corporal Croxton, good morning to you. I didn't mean to leave you out of the park.
No issue. Thank you, Counselor. I was double checking my notes to see. Thank you, Counselor. Thank you, Judge.
State your name for the record, Corporal Croxton.
Corporal Eric Croxton, 665, Church Police Officer.
All right, and Officer Lunguski, can you state your name for the record, please?
Officer Maverick Lunguski, badge 746, Detroit Police.
I finally got it right. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Let's see what if he's got his driver's license.
No, I said the permit.
I understand. I know exactly what you said. It reads up as valid now, sir. When you have a permit, it reads up as valid. I see that it's a permit. I see you have a long driving history. So I hope and I pray, and the citizens of this Detroit and all the people that visit the city of Detroit that drive on these roads hopes that now Mr. Lydell is going to drive right.
Yes, sir. I don't want no more trouble.
Out of all these pages, I'm gonna say this. Now it's kind of getting into the moving violations things. But out of all these pages, the majority of them are document tickets. But you've had your fair share of moving violations, but the majority of them are document tickets. So for Lord and Pastor, you want to make a motion on those cases, Council?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I couldn't get off mute. Yes, Your Honor, being that today was the time and date set for trial on these matters, and it appears that Officer Gordon, Officer Tasker has not appeared, I would ask that this court dismiss those matters for lack of a complaining witness.
SP 1175366 counts 1, 2, and 3. Officer Jason Lord, here, no response. I'm going to dismiss those matters, grant the motion to dismiss no officer. That's Nagusky's as a failure to disregard a traffic control device and a no-ops. We'll dismiss the no-ops. We'll get you an offer on the disregard of traffic control device. Dismiss will provide valid documentation. State matters SX 3698086 counts 1 and counts 2. Those were Tasker. We'll grant that motion on Tasker as well. No officer. So we're dealing with Croxton's no ops, SP 1126421. I'm going to dismiss that and provide valid documentation. What's the offer on the disregard of traffic control device, Ms. Mason?
Offer on the disregard traffic control device, Your Honor, will be a 1 to 5, 1 point.
1 to 5, 1 point on your driving record. Well, again, he's got a permit, Ms. Mason. 1 point will more than likely affect that. I think we've established that fact.
What's his record looking like, Judge? Do you know when you ran his license? What's the record looks like?
In his early years, he seems like he got pulled over for document tickets. You know, he had a long time ago, he had operating while intoxicated. In his later years, he seems to be getting a few more moving violations, but the majority of his tickets are document tickets. He has to pay for improper plate, 310, improper passing, 180. Disregarding the red signal, 175. And he's gonna pay for, that seems like your MO, Mr. Lydell, is that you just don't want to stop at a stop sign or run red lights. That seems like your MO. No, it does. No, I'm telling you. I'm not asking. I'm telling you. All right. You got one. That's what Corporal Croxton pulled you over for. That's what Officer Nagusky pulled you over for. And then the other 2018 matters, you got pulled over. So Officer Lunguski's is just an allegation right now, but Corporal Croxton's is basically an admission because you didn't show up and it was in default. And the other things are basically admissions because I don't know what happened in 2018, but that's 3 on just these cases alone in the city of Detroit. So I know that if he gets some points, it'll affect his driver's license. How do you want to treat this? I don't want to see him not have a valid license.
What's the last moving violation date, Judge?
From not including this one. You got a speeding ticket in Dearborn, limited access, actual speed 56, posted 55. I don't understand. I don't know of an officer that'll pull somebody over for a 1 mile an hour speed.
I don't know. Judge, just basically based upon what you're reading to me, I'm still with the 1 to 5, 1 point. I understand the concern, but you know,
Well, I'm gonna let you come back, Mr. Lydell. I'm gonna let you come back. It's gonna be 1 to 5 when you come back. I want this driver's license. I want you to have a full license. I want you to finish up that probationary period because I don't want you without a valid license. All right?
Yes, sir.
All right. I don't think she could if she wants, but we don't have to. Well. All right. Let's put a pretrial date on this for October the 1st. You should have your license by then.
And Your Honor, just to be clear, this is only for the disregarding a traffic control device, correct? All the other matters have been dismissed?
Exactly. I mean, he still owes 175 for the old disregarding the red signal. He still owes 175 for, well, he only owes 75 on that. He's paid $100 toward that. The old disregard the red signal, improper passing 180 and 310. So he's got, I'm going to waive the warrant fees, have you pay reinstatement fees. So you got a nice chunk of money that you owe for, I'll write the case number down. SP155 98611. It'll be 1 to 5. License. All right. So come back on for a hearing on October the 1st, 2024 at 9 a.m. on the 1 ticket. Don't, I wouldn't pay that ticket. That SP155-98611. Pay everything but that. You can start paying. But if you pay that ticket, then it's gonna be basically like an admission, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, you understand what's going on, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. If there's nothing further, please start obeying those red lights and those traffic control devices. Those are 3
Yes,
points.
sir.
And you got potential to kill yourself or somebody else by running those lights. I see it all the time. All right?
Yes, sir.
Have a good day, Mr. Lydell. Best of luck to you.
You too.
All right. All right. Mr. Bennett, are you there?
Yes, I am, Your Honor. My phone died, so I'm on a different phone.
We're going to go back on the record with Mr. Aaron William Bennett. I did contact Ms. Judge Yancey, and she's willing to dismiss the cases. So I'm going to dismiss the U65682623 was supposed to be dismissed the last time. SP 11940641. I'll dismiss that for providing valid documentation. I've run his driving license, and he has a valid license. I'm going to waive the warrant fee as well. All right. If there's nothing further, Mr. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Corporal Croxton and Mundusky, have a very good day. Be safe out there. All right. Next up, Miss Officers for Gavin Charleston. Gavin never showed. Is Gavin here? Gavin never showed. You be safe out there.
Thank you, sir.
Goins, Derek Goins, is he still here? Serena Gray, never showed. Corporal Croxton, you be safe out there. Grisham is here. Let's call Grisham next up. Is that what you want, Ms. Griffin? Ms. Grisham?
I'm sorry, could you say that one more time?
That's what you wanted? You wanted me to call your case, didn't you?
Yes, but I don't have an attorney.
You have one. You got two, you got good attorneys here.
Okay.
Do you have stable housing now?
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Autumn Christina Grisham.
Yes.
Case number is SP 1545038, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 14, strike that SP 154504111, and U482795518. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Jessica Warfield, P853991 on behalf of Ms. Grisham, who is present via Zoom. Can you please state your full name for the record, ma'am?
Autumn Christine Grisham.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Lundusky, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yeah, good morning, Officer Maverick Langusky, badge 746, Detroit Police.
Good morning to you. I don't have an Officer Glover. Officer Glover, the reason why I asked your client, does she have stable housing, Ms. Warfield, is I always look at these entering without permissions as an instance where a lot of times people don't have housing and they're going wherever they can to find some shelter. So I just wanted to make sure, because if you don't have any stable housing,
At the time I didn't. I was
please don't say anything. Say that. So at the time you didn't have stable housing?
Yes, I was awarded a stay in foster care at Governmental Youth Shelter. They had put me out and told me to come back at a certain time. I was just trying to stay warm.
See what I mean, Mr. Warfield? That's why I always ask.
Absolutely, Your Honor. And it appears that I'm going to be asking to dismiss that matter in either way because Officer Glover has not appeared today, and that matter was set for trial.
And oftentimes, you know, I'm finding that since the sensitivity of the issue, people will tell me that they have stable housing, but they do not. So I put them in the breakout room to talk to lawyers, and I know the lawyers that are here routinely, Mr. Berry and Ms. Harris, kind of always are able to delve further into that in a private conversation. And I'm going to give you an opportunity to speak with Ms. Grisham, and Ms. Grisham and you an opportunity to speak with Ms. Warfield for that private conversation, because and you need to speak to her related to the cases as well. Do you have a valid insurance and registration, Ms. Grisham?
No, no, sir.
All right. Have you, Ms. Warfield, been presented with the offers?
I have not, Your Honor.
Okay, so the offer as it stands right now was a disorderly conduct for the EWOP ticket, but we're going to dismiss that because Officer Glover never showed. And 1 to 5 for the improper left turn and dismissing everything else. So 1 to 5, that's 1 point on your license. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, speak to Ms. Warfield, have a private conversation with her, ma'am, and let us know what you want to do when you come out. That's a 1 to 5, $125 for the improper left turn. And of course, Ms. Warfield, you can, if you need a chance to pre-try the case, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to Ms. Mason once you talk to Ms. Grisham. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, join the room, please. All right, let's pass that matter. The Samsung, was that Robert Griffin? Samsung, good morning to you, sir.
Samsung?
Yes, Samsung.
SMA14?
Yeah, what's your name?
Carlos Gaston?
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 Yes. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Carlos Richard Gaston.
Carlos Ricardo Gaston.
Ricardo, okay, so I just sorry about that.
It's okay.
Okay, I see what that. City of Detroit versus Carlos Ricardo Gaston, case number SB 1547217, counts 1, 2, and 3 appearing to the record, please.
Elwes Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gaston.
It's Carlos Ricardo Gaston.
All right. Officer Raleigh is here, Mr. Berry. The offer as it stands right now, Mr. Gaston, is to plead to the failure to display and the expired plates. But I'm just gonna fine you for the failure to display $240 fine. I won't even fine you for the expired plates because I see that you have as it appears now, a revoked license. I don't know if that's actually the case. The other day it was written revoked license and the person didn't have a revoked license. Officer Raleigh, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Can you state your name for the record and your department and badge number, please?
Officer Raleigh, badge 4373, Detroit Police Department.
Today is the date and time set for a trial. Let's put Mr. Gaston in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. Have a private conversation with Mr. Gaston. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Join the room, please. Oh my goodness, Trey got it right. Grayson, I'm sorry, just Grayson. I agree.
Your Honor, am I able to go into a breakout room with Miss Mason?
You are. I'm going to give you privileges.
Thank you.
I'll put you in there, though, you know. Breakout room 4. Mason, can you join breakout room 4, please? Mr. Grayson, good morning to you.
Good morning.
I'm sorry I overlooked you. I'll be honest about that. All these charges, you want a trial date?
I pay all them tickets.
No. I'm talking about all these misdemeanors. And the way it works is you can pay civil infractions. If I were a lawyer, I wouldn't advise my client to pay those civil infractions. I would advise them before they pay any money to seek representation, because a lot of times people don't know that you pay all that stuff, you're admitting responsibility, and you get all the implications that come with it, meaning the points. But the misdemeanors you can't pay. That's why you were here today. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 misdemeanors. 1, 2, 3, 4, driving a license suspended. 1, 2, 3, 4 document cases, drove without cycle endorsement being one of them. 2 no insurance misdemeanors and an unregistered untitled. And then you have the open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. So that one ticket in particular, they're only going to offer you a amended count of open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. So that's the same 2 points. Ms. Mason, can you go in the breakout room and speak with Ms. Warfield, please? So I can either let you speak with a lawyer, I can either appoint a lawyer for you and set a trial date, or I can just set a trial date. What do you want to do?
You can put a lawyer and set the trial date.
The city of Detroit versus Tyree Grayson. Case number SP 120927441, SP 1297991, SP 1312271, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1378300, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1456899, counts 1 and counts 2. State your name for the record, Mr. Grayson.
Tyree Grayson.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial on all the matters. I need another trial date set that. All right, I need a good phone number from you, Mr. Grayson.
313-405-1809.
I'm gonna give you the same instructions. You have give us a call if you don't hear from this attorney in the next 2 weeks. Answer the calls you may not recognize. Hopefully one of those calls is that appointed attorney. We're going to give you a trial date. I'm waiting on that now. I just don't want you, say that again. October 24th, 2024 at 9 a.m. I don't want you to, I do not want you to come back on October 24th and not have already had a conversation with the lawyer, okay?
Okay.
So make sure that if you don't hear from that lawyer in the next couple of weeks, get back in touch with us. We'll appoint one for you on the spot, all right?
Okay.
Other than that, we'll see you back October 24th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Best of luck to you. My apologies for overlooking your name, all right?
Okay. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Mr. Green, we're just waiting on an officer. I mean, on an appointed attorney for you, okay? Miss Mason, can you go and break out room 4? Miss Warfield wants to speak to you, please. Been practicing? Yeah. Because I couldn't tell.
Yeah. I can vouch for you. She was practicing a little bit.
You can?
Yeah, she was practicing a little bit.
I mean, she needs more than a little bit. I mean, I'm just saying.
Oh, last time. So since the last time, she been practicing. We're gonna put it like that.
Since the last time?
Since the last time. She had did it 1, 3, 4, and I heard she did good. I was like, okay.
So what is it? You still nervous about it? It's no big deal.
I was in, they caught me on guard.
You can't be caught off guard. This is what you do.
I know, but like, I got magistrated, but I don't really.
You what?
I really don't like a magistrate.
She got a magistrate, so she don't really.
I know, but you can expect to come in here. This is like, right? Every day is some might be something different.
Yeah. I've been practicing.
You good at practicing? You gonna come in tomorrow and open up? Huh?
No, she's here.
That's all right. She'll let you open up.
I sure will.
You got somebody in here that's got somebody. I'll tell you what. She's one of the best. She got her lines down.
All right, so just you come back. Okay.
All right, we'll see you.
All right, John.
I had to. I had to do it.
That's all I'm saying. A couple officers had to.
About me?
Yeah. Come up with it, know they was moving. It's like, I'll be back. Like,
They don't come back either. They'll be waiting. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead back on the record with Miss Grisham. Miss Grisham, how you like Miss Warfield?
A lot.
You say what?
A lot.
A lot. She's good, isn't she?
Yes.
All right. Well, what did you work out, Miss Warfield?
Your Honor, we actually have an amended offer. Instead of doing the limited access 1 to 5, Ms. Mason and Officer Legasky has agreed to change it to an impeding traffic. That way there are no points on Ms. Gresham's license and it won't get abstracted to her driving record.
All right, see, I told you she's good, didn't I? And Miss Mason doesn't hand those out very easily either. I can imagine.
Officer Languski handed it out.
So she's not even gonna say. She's like, I didn't do it this time. I don't give out opinions much, not often, put it that way. All right, you want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
And stipulate to the face of the ticket on behalf of your client as an active factual basis for those responsible for that responsible plea, counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. I'm gonna find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. That's a 0-point offense. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it doesn't carry any points. And I am going to dismiss the other matters. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. Ms. Grisham, when can you pay this $175?
Is it possible that I could get on a payment plan? I'm currently 8 months pregnant.
Okay, all right, congratulations on that. I'm gonna do this. I'll give you 30 days either to pay it or get on a payment plan.
Okay.
So what you're gonna have to do, if you're gonna pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Also, they indicate that I'm told you can upload that DivDad app to your phone. I've never done it myself, but I'm told you can upload that DivDad app to your phone and pay it that way. Or by August the 26th, make sure you're down here at the courthouse. And I think you're gonna have to bring 20% to enter into payment plan. I marked the file allow payment plans. So do either or before August 26th, all right?
Yes.
All right, any further questions, ma'am?
No.
All right, best of luck to you. I'm glad to hear that you got your housing situation straight. We probably, you can always zoom in and let us know the name of the baby and whether it's a boy or a girl. You probably know that now, don't you?
Yeah,
What is it?
a boy.
There you go. And you may even name him Sean. I don't know. All right, Miss Grisham, have a very good day and best of luck to you. All right, and we're going to be praying for you to have a successful and a healthy baby in 1 month's time. All right.
Okay.
Or
thank you.
come anytime now.
Okay.
All right. Have a good day. All right. Let's
You
go
too.
back on the record with Mr. Gaston. Mr. Gaston, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room. Mr. Berry, what's your client want to do? We have to unmute yourself, Mr. Berry.
My apologies. My client has valid insurance and registration. And so he's prepared to enter a plea to the failure to display on the basis of the revoked license.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gaston?
Yes, sir.
So did you ever go back to the state and see Secretary of State and see if you can get this revoked license taken, get your license back?
I was going through my attorney, and as of now, the attorney haven't given me no particular date on when we're gonna have a hearing.
That's because this is gonna push that probably I'm gonna say more than likely push that back and throw everything in a tailspin. You know that?
Yes, sir. I understand this. I'm in a position where I kind of don't have a choice, though.
Almost, because today is the date and time set for a trial. And we have Officer Raleigh here. So you don't get the benefit of getting them dismissed for no officer. And the file is written up as a failure to display, $240 fine. It was an expired plate on there as well. I told you I wasn't going to fine you on that. But Mr. Berry has seen documentation. You have valid insurance and registration. Miss Mason.
All right, Your Honor, I was in the other courtroom. Did you need to speak with me?
Yeah, I was just running down. Mr. Gaston gave us a picture of his situation. He's got a driver's license revoked and no expired plate, no insurance. He indicated to the court that he has an attorney that is representing him to try and get himself a hearing. He has not heard back from that attorney on any dates yet. And I indicated to him that, you probably paid this attorney, and once you plead guilty to this failure to display, it's going to probably more than likely push that all the way back. He indicated he understands that, but he didn't have any choice. So I don't know if you and Officer Raleigh are feeling generous today. I don't know. I'll let you speak with Mr. Berry or all the parties involved. Or if it stands as a failure to display, then it's $240 and we'll abstract 0 points.
He's got a revoked license. He's got to get the hearing.
Yeah, he's indicated to the court that he's a retained attorney, right?
Yes, sir.
And he was waiting on that attorney to get him a date, but has not yet got him a date. Let me see.
You don't think an adjournment will help, Judge?
Let me see how old these cases are. It's not that old, but. I know what'll probably satisfy all the parties. The tickets were issued 2/6/2024. Raymond was 3/5/2024. It is now, they're on me about getting rid of these cases in a timely manner. Today is July.
No, Judge, on the FTD, I can just give an allowing. We can give an allowing.
You got your gift today too, Mr. Gaston. Today you get the allowing $240. It will not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it won't carry any fines. But I imagine you're not going to get another gift if you get caught driving. You need to hurry up and get into that. Need to hurry up and press that attorney to get you into that hearing. All right.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it.
Raise your right hand, sir. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You understand maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir, he did.
You understood those rights?
Say that again, sir.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes, I did.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up.
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, keep in mind, this is an early Christmas gift for you.
Thanks a lot. Yes, sir.
Right. Let me draw your attention back to February 6, 2024 at around 2:09 a.m. here. Let me just tell you what I think about this. Is that when I see the date, I mean, let's see what February 6th date was. And this is just kind of give you my thoughts, not that anybody really cares. It's a Tuesday night. So I think Mr. Gaston was just leaving the club and he got caught driving. That's what I think, Mr. Berry, when I see the 2:09. I know Mr. Gaston said, no, I was leaving first.
I was.
Winthrop and Westfield. Winthrop and Westfield. What's on Winthrop and Westfield? All right. So anyway, on that date and time in the city of Detroit, in the area of Winthrop and Westfield, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you to, did you have contact with the Detroit Police Department, Officer Raleigh?
Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You could not do so, could you?
I couldn't.
Why is that?
Because my license has been revoked. Very well.
Find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, to which Mr. Gaston allowed himself to drive that vehicle. $240 fine, I'll dismiss upon payment. Dismiss stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters now. He did indicate that he has proper plates and insurance now.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Officer Raleigh. What's over there on Winthrop and Westfield?
It's just homes. There's no clubs, none of that.
How far is that away from your house, Mr. Gaston?
It's a nice little ways, but I was headed to my cousin house who owned the car. I live in Redford.
Headed to your cousin's house who owned the car. So you left the club and you wanted to get your cousin his car back. So you're gonna drop the car off and have him drop you off at home.
Well, sir, I did leave my job where I worked at, and I was dropping the car to be dropped off. Yes, sir.
Okay, do you work at the club?
No, I work at a school. I cleans it up at night.
Okay, all right, Mr. Gaston. That's your early Christmas gift. Mr. Officer Raleigh, you be safe out there, and we'll see you soon. And when you gonna pay this bill, Mr. Gaston?
Well, Your Honor, can I have a little time? Because right now I'm only part-time. If you can allow me a little time.
I thought he was gonna say I'm gonna pay it immediately and close it out.
I would love to, but right now my hands is tied at this moment. All
right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same thing for you as I did for the young lady. I'm gonna give you until 8/26, August the 26th, to pay it. Then you're gonna have to come back though, because this is a dismissal upon payment. I'm gonna give you till 8/26. I'm gonna allow payment plan. So either you pay it by then, or you come down to the courthouse and enter into a payment plan by then. If I see on 8/26 you haven't paid it off, but you entered in that payment plan, then we're done. It's just between you and the court. But if you haven't entered into that payment plan, or if it's not paid off, then we have to have a conversation. All right?
Yes, sir.
You pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDad app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Gaston. Best of luck to you. Have a very good day, all right?
You do the same. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
All right, Officer Raleigh, have a good day and be safe out there.
Thank you. Have a good day.
All right. Giles. Last but not least, I'm still waiting on the attorney, Mr. Green. We called and they're supposed to be bringing one in.
All right. So in the instant that no one joins, what would we do at that point in time?
They're gonna join.
Okay. All righty.
How you doing? Good morning, sir.
Good morning to you. Is this Jerome Tyree Giles?
Jeremy Tyree Giles.
Jeremy Tyree Giles. Jeremy.
Yeah.
City of Detroit versus Jeremy Tyree Giles, case number SB 152-03021. Appearance for the record, please. Don't all jump in at one time, Mr. Giles.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., Your Honor, on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Giles.
Jeremy Tyree Giles.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Giles, do you have a valid license?
As of right now, my license is suspended.
Yeah, he made me wait for that answer. You know, he's like, as of right now, it's either yes or no, but he put all that like it was a game show. All right, offer right now is failure to display, $240 fine. I don't know what it's going to take for you to get a license. You have an absolute right to a trial. Speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room and have a conversation with him, all right?
Okay.
He's already had another chance. He's been here before, Mr. Berry.
Yeah.
Who's that? Hey, what's going on here? What about the attorney? This is one of the ones that. Wow.
Nobody counted.
No.
Yeah.
Green is 2 files. So this is the one that never got a slip put in there. Jail Green. And Giles never. And what about? I think he wanted to trial. Is it in there?
I put it in already.
You can throw that away.
Hello?
Hello. Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor. We're ready.
All right. Let's go back on the record. Mr. Giles. Mr. Giles, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your plan want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
October 24th, is that what you want to do, Mr. Giles?
If it can be later, that'll be great. But if not, October 24th is fine.
How much later do you want it? What is October?
I know. So my suspension is up the first week of December.
Oh, you already know that.
Yeah.
And he has counsel, Your Honor.
And I do have counsel. As of right now, I'm in the middle of getting a hardship appeal because the charge that got my license suspended is currently has been dismissed.
Well, have you talked to Miss Mason, Mr. Berry?
No, Your Honor.
Why don't you talk to her? There's one count, driving while license suspended. And he has a hearing date. It's already, he seems like he understands what's going on, but that's putting it out an awful long time there, because we've already put it off some time. So talk to Miss Mason and see what you want.
All right, I'll be in 4.
Miss Mason, can you join me? She's in 4. He came back. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Giles. Anything, any kind of resolution?
No, Your Honor, we just will take the bench trial date. If he has it, he says he has an attorney, the attorney can zoom in, explain the situation at that point.
All right, let's go give him a bench trial. October 24th. That's the furthest I can push it back. And let your attorney know and let the people know, let everybody know when you come back about that reinstatement date, all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You as well.
All right, I think that's going to conclude the morning. We still have Mr. Green.
Yeah.
Here. Mr. Green, we're working on that attorney right now. I just don't want it to go by now because it was already supposed to have been done a while ago and it didn't. So I want to get you somebody ASAP.
And Judge, I'll dismiss the officers in room 1. I'll dismiss my officers.
Very well.
No.
This matter was, let's go back on the record at least right now for Jalen. He's gone?
She's still trying to find somebody.
He's gone. Ms. Warfield, do you want this case, Jalen Green?
I can, if I'm needed. What's going on with it?
He's got open alcohol on a motor vehicle driver, driving license never acquired, marijuana under 21, no ops. And then 2 equipment violations, tinted windows, I believe, 2 speeding tickets, 11 to 15 and 6 to 10, and a seatbelt ticket. We're going to schedule a trial. He asked for an attorney the last time he was here. One never got appointed to him.
Oh, he's coming back in now, Your Honor, as well. I can be an appointed attorney if need be.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I'm going to appoint Ms. Warfield, your attorney, all right?
All right.
All right. I'm going to put you two in a breakout room. I'm going to give you a trial date of October 24th, 2024. Speak to Ms. Warfield. You guys exchange information. Ms. Mason is there. If you need discovery, it should be provided, and we'll let you two speak. Okay.
Thank you.
If you don't have any further questions, you're free to leave, Mr. Green, after you get finished speaking with Ms. Warfield. All right.
Okay.
That's your attorney today. And he's got a car. He owns a car, and he's sitting in the driver's seat of the car now.
Gotcha. Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, run Mr. Green's license, please. Jalen Green.
I don't. 21st.
See if Mr. Golden's right.
That's good. Okay. Yeah, so just so you.
Do you think he's right?
I think he's right.
Mr. Golden. You remember our conversation with Jalen Green?
Yeah. He said he thought he wasn't telling the truth.
No, he says that
Or the one
he doesn't think he has a license.
Yeah. Yeah.
He never did say he didn't have a license or not.
Okay.
I just because he's in the driver's seat, he says that's his car.
Yeah.
I can say.
What you think?
Let's see. Maybe I'm wrong. That doesn't mean he didn't have a license at the time.
You may have one.
Wait on Miss Mathis to give us the answer.
I hope you do.
Mr. I'd be wrong.
All right, Mr. Green, you are free to go. You can log all the way off.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green.
Oh.
Are you Jalen Green 32605?
Yes, sir.
I'll tell you what, Mr. Golden is wrong. He's got a valid license.
All right.
He's too cool to make any expression though. He doesn't, he's just too cool for that. I would have bet with Mr. Golden too, so I would have been wrong myself.
Oh,
Have a good
man.
day, sir. Have a good
Thank
day,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
Best of luck to you, all right?
Appreciate it.
And Ms. Mason, well, Judge, am I able to get all the case numbers? I only see here is like only 2 on the docket for today.
You ready?
I am ready.
Case numbers SP 1539870, counts 1, 2, and 3. SX 4361154, counts 1, 2, and 3. And SX 4397616, counts 1, 2, and 3.
Thank you, Your Honor. And Ms. Mason, I can send you the request for discovery for these matters.